Hey my loves, so you guys saw I revealed a few of my absolute favorite products in my Glam Bag X collection. Next up, I'm really excited to share with you guys some of my favorite products in the entire world from Wishful. You guys know Wishful is my baby. It transformed my skin, made my skin just so much softer, so much smoother, and just gave me confidence that I never thought I could ever have. So some of the boxes are gonna include one of my favorite scrubs. Actually my favorite scrub. This is the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. You can use it before you apply your makeup and it just makes your makeup look so much more flawless. Amazing ingredients, AHAs, BHAs, to give your skin a really nice kind of cellular renewal. So this is our Thirst Trap Juice. It is a hyaluronic acid, triple hyaluronic acid and peptide serum. It is so hydrating that kind of just slides really beautifully onto your skin. I have gone through bottles and bottles of this product because I just am obsessed with it. And another Huda Beauty favorite that you guys might get is the Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. The reason why this is so incredible is because it's packed full of amazing ingredients like niacinamide, honey, turmeric, mica. The texture of it, amazing. One of the biggest effects that we've seen with people is their pores just start to like shrink. Okay, my loves, so come back soon for more reveals from my Glam Bag X collection. Make sure you guys reserve your spot. Don't miss out. There's so much goodness inside of these boxes. I cannot wait for you guys to see.